Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Aryandas and today I am going to show you a new video about Raspberry Pi. Here I hope you have seen my previous video about Raspberry Pi, the overview of Raspberry Pi. Today we are going to produce a new kind of project on Raspberry Pi inside the terminal window of Raspberry Pi. Here we are using Python 3 for writing the programming in Raspberry Pi. As you know that Python is the only language which are used in only Raspberry Pi. So let's start the video. Here you can see this app named putty.exe. I am typing the IP address. So here I am going to write the IP address as of Raspberry Pi as 192.168.43.210. The port will be as same as it is written as 22, and I will write next, or I will type next. Sorry. Oh, let's try once again. That's my fault. Please don't be upset for this. Here we are trying this to write the IP address. As my keyboard is many years, it has been damaged, so I have to type it for several times for writing the correct IP address. That's my fault, I can understand. Please forgive me for this. Here you can see I have to log in the terminal window. I hope you can see this. Here we have to log in the terminal window as pi, pi, and the password is raspberry, RASPBERRY, raspberry. And here it is, the command is executed, and I will write a simple command which you have to learn by heart to produce this kind of terminal window, and for executing and also for opening the terminal window of Raspberry Pi. The command is sudo apt get installed tight vnc server. Sudo apt get install tight vnc server, and I am executing this, and after a few seconds it will be done. And here you can see this. Now it's done. And the last command for this opening the terminal window is only the tight vnc server, only tight vnc server, TIGST, tight vnc server. And here you can see it is ready. So I am going to minimize this putty.exe, and I am going to open a new app known as VNC Viewer. I am minimizing it, you can see I am minimizing it, and new app known as VNC Viewer. As I have already created a terminal window of Raspberry Pi, so I am clicking on this only and giving the password. He is asking for password of VNC Viewer. The password is 123456778. As simple as that. And we have successfully opened the terminal window of Raspberry Pi. Here you can see this. It is very easy, not as tough as rocket science. It's very easy to open the terminal window. Here you can see the programming. We are using Python IDE, that is Python 3, for writing the program commands. Here you can see many things. That's Chrome, Google Chrome is also here. You can do anything as like a computer. The Raspberry Pi is only the main thing, and you should need a monitor, a mouse, and a keyboard, and nothing more than that. And a power supply is needed. Obviously a power supply is needed. Here I am using the Python 3. Oh, 1 minute. Here I am going to write a new statement. Today I am going to show you how to write Python using Python 3 in Raspberry Pi. Python, and I am taking as granted that you have learned any kind of programming language. Oh, no, I am taking as granted that you haven't learned for this Python. So I am starting this. I have created a new file, untitled file. As we know in C++, if you don't know, don't mind. If you don't know, don't mind. I am going to tell you. C++ or Java, there we have to write, in Java we have to write system.out.println, and inside that bracket double quotations, and inside the double quotation we have to write a print statement which we have want to print in the terminal window. But here a simple word print and nothing more than that. We have to write only the print statement inside the brackets and the double quotations and execute, run this. We will get only the print statement and nothing more than that. It's very easy and portable and easy to use. Python, that's why Python is known as a high level programming language. Here he is asking for a name. We are giving is that as hello world. Here we are clicking OK, and now it will run. And see, here hello world is printed, and you have done a new program in Raspberry Pi using Python, and you have started learning Python, how to write program using Python in Raspberry Pi terminal windows. So I am giving a second example for this. Here you can see a second line we are taking for second example. We are writing print. Inside that print I am writing the print statement as my name is Aryan Das. As you know, my name is Aryan Das, and full stop. I read in St. Michael's School. I read in St. Michael's School. Sorry, school. As I am little bit slow in typing, so you can see this. Here it is seen. As I have told previously that my keyboard is damaged due to not using it for many years, so it is creating difficulties in typing the letters in the terminal window. So I have to take few time for re-editing it. Here you can see I have written, and I am going to run this, and it will run. And here you will see the two statements are printed, hello world as well as the my name is Aryan, thus I read in St. Michael's School. The two statement is printed because I haven't commented the first statement. If I would have commented the first statement, the second statement, that is my name is Aryan, thus that ... that statement would have been printed. But as I haven't commented, I am going to comment it. Now you will see we are commenting here using hash word, hash little letter. And as I have commented, you can see here only the second statement is been executed and printed also, not the first statement. If you want to comment it the second statement as well as the first statement, do like this: 3 single quotes open, and at last 3 single quotes closed, and the whole set of statements have been commented. Here you can see nothing will be printed. Nothing means nothing will be printed, as we have commented whole statements, all the statements 1 and 2. So that's it for today, and please like, comment and share this video as much as possible, and thank you for today. Thank you very much. And as is your usual comment section, I will be there for resolving it. Thank you for today.